Hey, what's going on, YouTube? So I've recently had problems, as people who follow the channel know, which is not many, but now I've been dealing with this reoccurring problem where I couldn't get rid of these two codes. One was for the braking system and one was for the VSA system. They kind of go hand in hand on the car. Now, I finally resolved the issue, and after hours and hours and hours and hours, days and days of digging, I finally found the issue. So there's not really much stuff that forums and like online will tell you about, but I'm going to show you, if I can get my camera down there, exactly what was causing the issue. Now, I'm putting this out there as I know a lot of owners of these cars that want to make some power, and you know, your clutch just can't support it. So what are you going to do? You're obviously going to get your clutch done. But right here was the simple issue that I've had that I couldn't figure out because it's so dang hard to see, that I figured out. Now, I'm going to try to show you. I also have a schematic, right? Let's see if I can see it. Okay, so you see the wire down there, down that one, underneath the shifter cables. Obviously it's held on by one of those plastic zip tie grommets. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus. There we go. See it? The plastic zip tie. Well, at the end of that plastic zip tie, there's a sensor, and it's called the neutral safety switch, something along those lines. I'm gonna try to see if I can yak the camera down there, but I don't think I can at this very moment. I'm gonna try to see if I can go around. Let's see. So basically, I don't know. I don't think you guys can see it still. Let me see if I can flip it on. Maybe there. I don't know. I'm gonna have to review the footage on that one. But anyway, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but it's yeah, there's a sensor back there, and as many people know, you're gonna get your clutch done and you got to take a lot of stuff apart. Basically it just was left unplugged. Now, I lost my e-brake for a little while. I lost my what's it called, can't think of the name right now, brake hold. I lost my traction control, which who cares about that, but everything else is annoying because I wasn't too sure if the ECU was in limp mode, what the hell was going on, this and the other thing. It just causes a lot more headaches. And if I knew, you know, if I found a video on it, I'm going to make the video title the two codes that I had on my SI, because all you could find is other videos with the VSA and the brake problem. They go hand in hand, but it's always other cars. It's a minivan, it's a Honda Accord, it's a TL, it's, you know, etc. It's just all Hondas. I guess they're wired the same to where, you know, the VSA and the braking system goes out when something's wrong or something's unplugged, or, you know, you just have an issue somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna pull up a whole schematic. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you could see the actual part, if I didn't get a video of it there, which I doubt I did. So you can see the actual part. But other than that, the car has been running good. It leaks a little bit of oil there, which I'm assuming is coming from the valve cover. Other than that, things been pretty mint. I'm gonna try to end up getting the rear lifted up a little bit because it's sagging. I think it's because of the way that the sub's in the back. I also have camber arms, but like, look at the front compared to the back. Like, we're tucking in the back and the front is up. I'm on D2 springs, and I got this heavy ass sub box in here. So yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna try to get a few things straightened out for the car, and we should be off to the dyno. I'm excited. I want to see what it makes. Yeah, I'm just elated that I've got all these issues solved. Now, I went back to a 27.1 base map. If all of you are wondering like what I'm running for a base map, I had Derek Robinson's, but I ended up going with the MA Performance High Flow cat, because I was having smoking issues. As soon as I put the cat in, retuned it, I don't know if it was everything at once. So I really don't know what the actual issue was, but the car's running good. I mean, it feels like kind of like factory because I put it on stock boost levels and stuff like that. So, you know, if there is something going on with the car, I'm just babying it to work and back. That's it. So my dyno appointment is a month away, and I'm just going to be prepping for it. I have the flex fuel and the motor mounts I still got to put in, and I want to straighten out the rear, make sure it's all level and everything. Just clean up the car. Worry about making the car clean now that I have everything sorted out. So yeah. What you got going on?
Just tuning some B series, John.
I was telling a friend of mine and shit, and like,
650cc injectors, eBay turbo. Let's see what she can do.